Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by turning on Linux Beta now. This creates the container where Paint NET will run. Open Settings, go to Developers, and enable Linux. Once done, update both Chrome OS and the Linux container. This prevents dependency errors. Make sure you reserve at least 5 GB of storage when prompted, because Paint NET plus Wine needs room to install and run. Finally, note why. Linux gives you a familiar package environment, and storage avoids mid-install failures, so proceed only after updates finish. You now install Wine so Windows apps can run. In the terminal, type sudo apt update and sudo apt install Wine 64. Next, install Winatrix and Mono. These provide NET support that Paint NET needs. Configure a 64-bit Wine prefix by exporting winrch equals win64 and creating the prefix. This avoids 32-bit limitations. Once configured, use Winatrix to install fonts and core components like Cora fonts and vcrun 2015. This fixes common runtime errors. Take it step by step and watch terminal messages for missing packages. You run the Paint NET installer inside the Linux container using Wine. Navigate to the installer file and run winepaint.net. Setup exe. Follow the Windows-style installer prompts. Choose default locations to reduce path problems. Once installed, launch Paint NET via Wine Start or a created shortcut. Test opening and saving an image. If it crashes, check the Wine terminal log. Reinstall vcrun 2015 or Cora fonts via Winatrix, and ensure the Wine prefix is 64-bit. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves 80% of issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.